having my hands up or like anything, and you know, like, cause it's easier when you just standing around regular and all that. You could just easily grab and go. But if you got your hands in the air and you get that chance, then you can be fast and accurate. Like that. That was kind of cool. And back to that grip.